Welcome back to Daily Drives, the channel where we explore the most powerful, futuristic, and mind-blowing machines shaping tomorrow's world of transportation and heavy engineering. If you love next-generation vehicles, advanced technology, and massive machines that redefine what's possible, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into an incredible railroad innovation that's turning heads across the industry, the Liebherr RE 25M. Litronic Railroad Concept 2026, the Liebherr RE 25M. Litronic is not just another piece of railway equipment. It represents the future of rail construction and maintenance. Designed for maximum efficiency, precision, and sustainability, this machine shows how modern engineering can completely transform railroad projects. Built on Liebherr's proven Litronic technology platform, the RE 25M is engineered to handle some of the toughest railway tasks with ease. Accuracy and reliability. At first glance, the 2026 concept version looks bold and purposeful. Its robust structure is designed to operate directly on rail tracks while also offering mobility on construction sites. This dual-mode capability makes it incredibly versatile, allowing operators to move seamlessly between rail and off-track environments. Whether it's track maintenance, rail replacement, or infrastructure upgrades, this machine is built to adapt. One of the biggest highlights of the Liebherr RE 25M Litronic is its advanced hydraulic system. The machine delivers smooth, precise movements even during complex operations. This level of control is critical in railway work, where millimeter-level accuracy can make a huge difference in safety and performance. The Litronic system intelligently manages power distribution, ensuring optimal efficiency while reducing fuel consumption and wear on components. Powering this railroad giant is a high-performance engine designed to meet modern emission standards. In the 2026 concept, Liebherr focuses heavily on sustainability, incorporating improved fuel efficiency and lower emissions without sacrificing performance. This means railway companies can meet environmental regulations while still achieving high productivity on demanding projects. Operator comfort and safety are also central to the RE 25M Litronic's design. The cab is spacious, ergonomically designed, and equipped with advanced controls that reduce operator fatigue during long shifts. Large windows and camera systems provide excellent visibility of the work area, improving precision and safety on busy rail sites. In the 2026 version, smart digital displays and assist systems help operators monitor machine performance in real time, making operations smoother and more predictable. Another impressive feature is the machine's modular attachment system. The Liebherr RE 25M can be equipped with a wide range of tools, including rail clamps, tamping units, grapples, and lifting devices. This flexibility allows one machine to perform multiple tasks, reducing the need for additional equipment and cutting down overall project costs and time. For railway operators, this means faster project completion and better return on investment. Stability is a critical factor in railroad machinery, and Liebherr has taken this seriously. The RE 25M Litronic uses advanced stabilization systems that ensure safe operation even when lifting heavy loads or working on uneven terrain. Combined with intelligent load monitoring, the machine maintains balance and precision, minimizing risks during complex rail operations. What truly sets the 2026 concept apart is its focus on smart technology. The Liebherr RE 25M Litronic integrates digital monitoring, predictive maintenance, and connectivity features. These systems allow operators and fleet managers to track machine health, schedule maintenance proactively, and reduce unexpected downtime. In an industry where time is money, this level of intelligence can significantly improve efficiency and reliability. From high-speed rail projects to urban transit systems and freight lines, the Liebherr RE 25M Litronic Railroad Concept 2026 is designed to meet the challenges of modern rail infrastructure. It reflects a future where powerful machines work smarter, cleaner, and more efficiently than ever before. Liebherr's commitment to innovation is clearly visible in every detail of this machine. As rail networks continue to expand and modernize worldwide, machines like the RE 25M Litronic will play a key role in shaping the future of transportation. It's not just about building tracks, it's about building smarter, safer, and more sustainable systems for the generations to come. That brings us to the end of today's deep dive into the Liebherr RE M Litronic Railroad 2026 concept. If you enjoyed learning about this futuristic railway machine and want to see more cutting-edge vehicles, heavy equipment, and next-gen engineering, make sure to like the video, subscribe to Daily Drives, and turn on notifications so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video with another incredible machine from the future.